Hey guys, it's Warren here and welcome back to the LEGO family channel. In this video, we're going to be guessing the build again. And today's theme is nature. So we'll be building different types of weather, animals and plants, and the aim of the game is to guess what we're building. So let's get started.
Now let's start with the weather. Years ago, the origin of the name of this type of weather originally meant either a hill or a mass of rock. And it wasn't until more recent times that the name was used as a metaphor for rain clouds due to their similarity in appearance. So there you have it, it's a Duplo rain cloud. And now for our next type of weather. And here's something you'll see come rain or shine that's guaranteed to brighten up the sky. And if you made some fun nature-based builds using Duplo bricks as well, let us know what they are in the comments below. And using loads of colourful Duplo bricks, we've built ourselves a rainbow.
Now, have you ever seen a rainbow and thought, actually, what is that? Well, let's find out.
A rainbow is the formation of a spectrum of light appearing in the sky. And it's caused by the reflection of light passing through water droplets that creates the multicoloured semicircular effect in the sky. And now for our next nature theme, plants. These you'll find many of grown in the Netherlands, grown in all different colours. You'll tend to see them in bloom in the springtime, and in case you haven't guessed it, it's the tulip. And now here's a plant that comes in all different shapes and sizes. These plants are really self-sufficient, plus you may want to exercise caution when approaching certain types of this plant. And you guessed it, it's a cactus.
And now, here's an interesting fact about cactuses.
Did you know that there are just short of 2,000 species of cactus? Plus, their spikes are used as protection against animals, and water can make up to 90% of the total mass of a cactus. And now for our final nature theme, animals. And you'll tend to find these type of animals in more tropical climates, and they can range in height from between just 10 centimeters and 1 meter in length. And you guessed it, it's a Duplo parrot. And now for our final animal, something you'll more likely find living in the wild of Africa and Asia. These animals can spend most of their lives in family groups, and they have a number of distinguishing features, as well as having a great memory too. And in case you haven't guessed it yet, it's a Duplo elephant.
Now, elephants are pretty awesome, so here are some interesting facts about these gentle giants.
Did you know that elephants can live up to 70 years old in the wild? They can also weigh up to 2 tons in weight, and an elephant's trunk can lift objects up to 350 kilograms in weight.
Now, there are loads more creative ways you can use Duplo bricks to help your child develop. And also remember to subscribe to the LEGO family channel for loads more tips and hacks to help make your life just that little bit easier.